The Huawei Developer Day is actually to gather all app developers and working together to create an ecosystem to bring the benefits of digital life to everyone.
Going through this workshop itself, Huawei is actually bring a lot of efforts into the services.
Maps and the location data are not going to charge for that, which is like a really good thing. So you get a lot of data for free with a lot of information.
Ia memudahkan kami sebagai developer untuk membangunkan sistem dengan lebih cepat, juga menjimatkan masa.
So one of the features that I find it very interesting is their in-app purchase. Telco carriers embedded into their Huawei Pay that make the payments at ease.
And from the CodeLab that we attended previously, we feel that the migration from Google Play Services to HMS is actually quite seamless because the integration are quite similar to Google Play Services.